Now we are discussing about type of plans. So as already you got an idea that it is a pervasive function, planning is a pervasive function, which means it is not the task of top level managers only, but managers working at different levels perform planning functions. So planning is not a pervasive function, it is a pervasive function, which is the task of not only the top level managers but also for the line managers at various levels performing the planning functions. The plans framed by top level manager may differ from the plans formed by middle and lower level managers. The different types of plans formed by the manager at different levels are, so there are total of 8 types of plans as you can see in the slides. These are objectives, strategy, policies, procedures, methods, rules, programs, and last and not the least is the budget. So we will be talking first of all on the first type of plan, that is known as objectives. So objective, as already told you, that it is neither single use plan and nor standing plan. The features of objective is to determine what is to be done. This is the first feature, followed by the second feature, that it is the end result of planning. Third, all activities are guided towards achieving the objectives. Fourth, it serves as guide for overall business planning. Fifth, it defines the future state of affairs which the organization strives to realize. And last is that these are usually set up by top level management. So in short, we can say that an objective should be SMART. SMART, that is SMART, where S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, R stands for relevant, and T stands for time bound. So as far as objective is concerned, if we classify the word SMART in context with objective, the first word, that is S, stands for specific. That means there should be a particular task or aim in order to achieve the objective. M stands for measurable. That means here we are dealing with that part which can be measured. A stands for achievable, which we can say that it should be achievable by the employees working in the organization. And if we talk about relevant, so relevant is coming from the word achievable itself. That means that it should be relevant with the overall task, and definitely the time is the last foundation of the objectives, that a particular time shall be given in order to achieve the objective. Then only the organization can be effective and efficient.